Hello, this is Barry once again. This is part 10. I tried to set this up so hopefully we can move through this and maybe finish this up. At the end, I'll be putting in some baseboard, and if we don't get that done, that's okay. So let's um, just start here and enclose the inside walls. And so we'll go ahead and do that. We could do that with a line. Let's just try to draw a line. If we have all the outside lines there, it should just um, be able to enclose all the walls within the structure as long as they're all on the same plane. We'll go ahead, try this here, this here, and there we go. So we have the interior wall now done. This is the cabinet inside, and the flooring for the upper level, the second level, where the bed is. So we'll don't want to erase those lines or any lines over here. Now we'll just complete the exterior. We could just maybe bring this on down, and again that will it kind of even a straight line probably would enclose that just from one edge to the next, over here to here. So as long as all the lines are there at the end or the edges of the plane, it will complete. It will completely enclose that. So, and we can get rid of this here. And now I have some things set up. Just added some scenes. Maybe we can go over that where we can uh, just set it up so you can either walk through your model or just get to various work areas, something like what we're doing here. So we want to add a door, and first we'll go ahead and select the color we're doing with the interior, and even over in the bathroom we'll just go ahead and paint that wall. All right, so we'll have let's figure a 32-inch door here at the front. So we'll just go ahead and one maybe 6 inches in from the frame and trim of the bathroom door. So we'll do our look around, look up here. We have a rectangle going, so we'll just go all the way up to the top to the ceiling, and then just make that 6 inches wide. So just again a comma 6, and there we go. Um, we'll probably go ahead and let's see how can we do this. Maybe we can trying to think this way. Let's just go from here down 32, and then we'll just add 2 inches at the top, or just add a rectangle 2 inches wide at the top. Maybe we could even do that now. Just go 32, 32, comma 2, and so now we can just go from this edge, and again we'll even go over here. We'll use this one. Go here for the look around, and go down to this bottom of that line, and let's see, we might have an issue here, which isn't good. We might have an issue because I don't think, let's see. We'll go ahead and do this. This might be uh, issue with under real conditions, and we just would have to move some things around to make this work. All right, let's try this rectangle again, and we'll look around and look up and complete the rectangle here. And let's take a quick look down, see how close we are. Yeah, that definitely would be a problem. Um, maybe we could move a little bit closer here. That would be possible, I guess. We'll just move over. Um, see if we can just take this whole thing. It may not work. We'll try to move this over 2 inches, 3 inches, and uh, let's see if we have. That should give us 3 inches over on that side. Okay, we'll just do that for now and make sure we didn't, nothing odd happened up at the top that everything moved. Yeah, we just can get rid of these lines here and then push this through. And so that's that. We'll go ahead and just kind of look at what we have here. And I think we'll be okay. We could even just add a just kind of add a plate at the bottom of the door. Got some metal here, rough metal, and we need to get rid of that too. All right, and we could do things just add a rectangle here. Say the door is going to be on the exterior. We'll even go. It's not. I should have gone ahead and just say comma. Should have entered in the measurements before comma. We'll go 1.5, and then we could even try to raise this up a little bit. Maybe not that part. We'll draw another rectangle here and make that another comma 1.5. I know I'm probably trying to rush through here, but I just don't want to have this continue endlessly, no end in sight. So we're really going to try to finish this up as much as we can. Um, and of course, it wants to be a little difficult. And we'll just try from this edge here, coming over, and we got that going now. Oh, no, it didn't work there. Ah, all right, let's try something else. What we can do is just try to move this line because we're not able. Sometimes that happens. You can't complete, can't close an opening in a panel or a plane. So we'll get rid of this and just add that. This is not exactly what I wanted, but we'll accept that. We just would work on that a little bit more to have that the way we want that plate there at the bottom of the door. All right, now for the next area, we just kind of look around inside, just give you a view. Um, Cabinets. I went ahead on these. I just softened the lines going across the top of the steps to again make that edge look a little softer and somewhat rounded. All right, we'll go up to the bedroom and oh yeah, we just want to add uh, the backsplash on this. So we'll not do a line. We'll do an offset, and like what we did earlier in the kitchen, just make that offset 3/4 of an inch or 0.75. Try again. 0.75. That just looks a little thick. right, let's see. No, it's right. So we'll enclose, uh, we'll just bring this out to enclose that area so we can pull up the backsplash and then just do that on the other side. Just enclose this so we'll be able to pull that up. Just use the line. Again, we can extend out because lines don't always cooperate. And pull this up 4 inches and clean up any lines we see with erase. Okay, erase, erase. Alright, let's just do that, and now there we go. We're able to get to our eraser E, and we'll look around here and just see what we have. Maybe we'll add a line here. I'm not sure I did that on the other side. Just add a line here on the backsplash. Take a quick look back and add a line there as well. Alright, and so I think we're pretty much done this. One other thing we might want to do is you see I used the orbit and see that kind of took us out of position rather than doing the look around. We'll just soften that and probably leave that there. Let's go to the next thing. I think we need to put a window. Probably need to put a couple windows downstairs. I'm not really going to center this. Maybe I'll just use the other side to get all the measurements from. And so if that was centered, we would be able to center this as well. Push it through, and then we'll just rotate to the outside of that so we can get the same. Just kind of snap this over to that if we can. Okay, let me try to do this a little bit differently, get a little better angle. All right. Sometimes you have to. Oh dear. Okay. You see, the problem is as I pull this over, there we go. Snap this to that bottom place on the window. There we go. Rotate this way and push pull. And probably what I'm doing wrong is I should grab it closer to the edge. There we go. Rather than in the middle of that plane. Alright, and then we'll do the same with this upper part. There we go. So now all these measurements line up with the window on the other side. Okay, so we'll move to the next. We are about out of time. I don't know if basically this is just to give you a view. Here's a window that where this would be a problem. This is so when you see how that's all highlighted, and yet supposedly we have this rectangle here that should separate the two surfaces. So it's like, okay, now we can't really push pull this properly to open that window up, and we just would have to find a way to do that. Maybe drawing lines. Maybe one thing we can try real quick. Let's try to intersect, and that didn't work. So we'll just move on to the next thing, and that's on the outside. And it looks like we're run out of time, but we'll see how far we get here. Yeah, we'll run out of time. So what we want to do is just make this surface a little bit there you see we got the lavender. So we'll bring this